Great summer weekend ahead. We do have some caveats though because of the dry conditions. We have a high fire danger and low air quality. So take it easy if you're going to be spending some time outside. 13 weather ball is red. Warmer summer weather ahead for the weekend. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Was warm today. Made 86 here in Grand Rapids, 90 down in Kalamazoo. That 86, 1 degree warmer than last year's 85 and 10 degrees warmer than average. Came within 1 degree of our forecast high. That is 8 days in a row we have become within 3 degrees. Hey, you're going to have a bonfire tonight. Be very careful. Make sure you have a lot of water on hand because there's still a little bit of a breeze out of the west and southwest. We'll drop temperatures from the low 80s down to the low 70s by around midnight or so. Lots of sunshine across much of the upper Midwest. The only showers are way back to our north and west, and they won't get here until later on in the day on Monday. In the meantime, we're going to continue with the warm, dry weather pattern all across the upper Midwest. Eventually, we're going to get enough water to come up from the south to give us a chance of some showers early next week. Upper level winds are coming out of the west and northwest right now. They're going to turn around more to the southwest as we get into early next week. That's going to start to bring up some water out of the Gulf of Mexico, so we'll have our chance for some showers and thunderstorms about them. In the meantime, it's going to cool off in the west coast. We'll stay warm and dry up until the middle part of the week, and then a little backdoor cold front may come on through and drop our dew points just a little bit by the end of next week. Chances of rain, we're not quite as bullish with the amount of rain coming through the area. May start a little bit earlier now on Monday afternoon, especially Tuesday through Wednesday morning as that backdoor cold front comes through later on toward the end of next week. That means we'll dry out and lose some of our humidity again for another great looking weekend. On Fridays, the week 3 and 4 temperature outlook is updated. It looks very similar to the next 2 weeks. Higher chances for warm temperatures out west, up across the upper Midwest and the East Coast. The only spot there might be cooler temperatures are down here in the deep south. But with the Gulf of Mexico opening up, we'll have some rain coming in from the south. So during that 2-week period, we at least have a higher chance, higher than we've actually seen in quite a while, of more rain during that 2-week period. We get about 1.5 inches of rain. We could use a lot of that. During the day tomorrow, we have that fire weather watch that goes into effect from Muskegon, Oceana counties northward, with highs will be in the low and mid 80s, 88 there in Holland as winds will be out of the south, not quite coming in off of Lake Michigan. Up north, even warmer, upper 80s here. It'll be breezy, so that's going to lead to that very high fire danger here tomorrow. And from the greater Grand Rapids area southward, we're going to get pretty close to, if not above 90 degrees. Certainly a breezy afternoon, not too dissimilar than today, but even warmer. 13 on your side forecast. Best chances for rain, and they're not the highest chances, will be starting Monday afternoon. The best chance will be Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then a little bit drier weather, but just as warm by the following weekend with temperatures climbing into the upper 80s to near 90.